Hey Tracie's Place fam, welcome back. It has been a while since I have done a haul. I mean, it's been like months. So I'm excited to be back with the haul. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie buddy goodie, like I said before, welcome back. So I'm gonna get started. Now, I have not been out shopping. I have not been doing leisure shopping since the shutdown has been going on. I did this before the shutdown, and I meant to do the video like the week before the shutdown and didn't get around to it because I was preparing and doing other videos coming up that had something to do with the lockdown and everything, shutdown, lockdown. But anyway, I have had these tucked in a corner in the house, and I forgot what I've gotten, so it's going to be a surprise for you and me at the same time because I have not been in these bags since I bought this stuff. So this is Dollar Tree and Dollar General, and I think that's all. So yeah, let me go ahead and get started. See what I got a month or two ago. I got this display easel. It says special moments. So this is something you can put a picture on, or if you have one of those quotes or sayings or something like that, you can put it on here, put it on your dresser to remind yourself of, certain affirmations and things. You can put it all pretty on a picture frame. You know what? I always say that. I'm not even going to say it. I was going to say I'm going to do a DIY. I always say that. But yeah, I want to do a DIY of that. But anyway, this is one of those little display easels. $1, of course, at Dollar Tree. Put that over there. And I got some of these printed scrub sponges. So they're scouring on one side and then the sponge on the other side. So I got that. And got some of these Breezy fresh linen fabric softener sheets. They smell really good. I like that scent. And then I have this to go in a gift basket, or a little gift for, when somebody has a birthday coming up or something like that. I thought it was so cute. This journal. And then you have these sticky pad notes that match. So those are so cute. And then I have a whole lot of, y'all, this is just so crazy. Got a lot of cards. This was a month and a half ago or two now. Y'all know our oldest daughter, my stepdaughter, she just passed away a couple of weeks ago and just had no idea, of course, But sympathy cards, and then we ended up getting a lot of sympathy cards. I'm sorry, that just struck me. But yeah, so that, because I always get cards, when I go, I try to stock up. Sympathy, birthday, get well, let's see, thinking of you, birthdays, all that type of stuff. And yeah. Anyway, all right, got some heavy duty scouring pads. Let me pick my mood back up. Got some heavy duty scouring pads. So I got that. And as you all know, our backyard is coming together. And so we'll be doing gardening and stuff soon. It's time for that. So I have some gardening gloves. I think these are so cute. That's a cute print on there. And I thought I got 2 pair. I guess not. Got some reusable rubber gloves for dishes and housework and stuff, and they want to mess your manicure up. So yeah, I love wearing the rubber gloves because I usually do my nails, I think, once a week, and I don't want to get them messed up. So those rubber gloves come in handy. Furniture wipes for wood. Got some of those. Got this non-scratch scouring pad with the handle on it. And so that could be used for tough jobs. And I got this little tin flowers and garden. I love this. Love this. I gotten one before and said I was probably going to use it in our kitchen when we get our kitchen remodeled. kind of repurpose it and do something cute for the kitchen, but we'll see. Yeah, I might stick it in the yard with this one, but this one's going in the yard. I don't know if I'm going to do it in the front yard when we get it all fixed up for summer or in the backyard. So I got those. I hope they still got them. I want a couple more. I hope Dollar Tree still has them. And I really need to go, and I'm not ready to go back out, y'all, shopping and stuff like that leisurely. Go out for food. Well, not for food, but, you know, groceries. And we have a couple of times gotten some fast food. I was kind of nervous doing that. But, yeah, I'm not big on going out if I just don't have to. So, you know, going in stores and stuff like that. But we'll see. We did go on Ollie's the other day because we had to get our grill covers are tearing up back there. So, but anyway, I got some of these lights for the yard. I got 4 of these. So these will probably go in the back because they're just kind of, I want to see how they work. They were cute. So I'm going to get some good, nice ones for my front yard. These probably will go in the back, but they're cute though. They are cute. And I got this scrubbing brush. I'll probably use this for the shower. We'll see. Get that grout real good. Y'all, that is my least favorite chore to do, that shower. And I'm so ready to get a new one. But we priced them. Oh Lord, expensive. So that might be a little bit down the road. We'll see. Oh, I got some mirrors to do a DIY. I'm gonna get y'all gonna spank me about the DIYs because I know I've been saying I'm gonna do some DIYs. Ain't done one yet in a long time. But I got some mirrors. They're $1 a piece, of course, from Dollar Tree. Got this strong and soft toilet paper. I think I just got one of those this time. I usually get a whole bunch, but y'all know I found the toilet paper at Aldi's, and I was doing the math. You know, this is 240 sheets per roll. I think it was more sheets per roll on the one at Aldi's, and they were, I just calculated it up, and it seemed to be cheaper. I said, I'm going to have to redo my math, because I do love this, but that toilet paper from Aldi's was even more plush, and like I said, that's not the biggest thing for me. It don't have to be super plush, but yeah, so we'll see. But anyway, this is one of my old and faithfuls, the strong and soft bath tissue, so I got that. Let's see what else. That's from, let's see. Got some gift bags. Got 2 of these. Birthday and then another design. I got these Brillo reusable wipes. Got some of those. And y'all, I was just getting toilet paper back then. Didn't know what we was running into before everything hit. And they was talking about get this, get that. But anyway, I can use them. These are these mega my size paper towels. So I got those. And then I got another one. So I got 3 of the mega my size. And then I got 1 of the big roll, and it has 100 sheets, and 100 2-ply sheets, and of course this is the pick your size, so it can be as big as you want it. And I got some Nitro Gloves, so I got those. I think I had gotten 2 pair actually. I think I had remembered sometime during when everything was going on, I reached back in one of the bags. I knew I'd gotten a lot of gloves. And I got a thing of gloves out to use. I think we were going to the grocery store or something like that. Okay, so that is, also from the Dollar Tree. And y'all know I said I was going to do the vision board. So back then I had gotten my vision boards. So that's another DIY. Got a black one and a white one. I think I'm going to use the black one because the black ones I think will make all the pictures pop and stand out. So that'll be for my vision board. So now we're going to get to Dollar General. And from Dollar General, I got these clasp envelopes when you have to send something big. And I have a couple of obituaries to send to my sister and someone else. And then, you know, you just have them around in case you have to send, you know, different things in a bigger envelope. So I have those. And y'all know I got my favorite thing. Even though I make DIY air fresheners and different things like that, y'all know I am stuck on this lemon glade. I cannot help it. I got, because sometimes they run out and you can't find it for a while. So I got a few, and they smell so good. Whatever combination of lemon scent and whatever they use is good. It's good. So I got 4 of these. Got 4 of those. And I can't even find these at the y'all let me know if y'all know if these are somewhere else other than Dollar Tree. I'm sorry, not Dollar Tree, Dollar General. But they have them at Dollar General, the lemon scent glade. And that's the only place I think I've seen them. I've looked for them at Walmart and other places. Couldn't find them. So, and I have these air fresheners. These are they called trees, I think, or something like that. Cones or whatever. But I got the lemon fresh scent in the glade. And I love them because you can stick them like in a basement that doesn't smell too well, or you know, anywhere. But anyway, they scent up pretty good. I even used to put these in my car before I did my car air fresheners. I put these in my car under my seat. I love these so much. I love them. So that was all I got for Dollar General. And usually when I'm going to Dollar General, the main things I am getting are these lemon air fresheners and nail polish, the Broadway nail polish. But I didn't get any of that this time. So that is my haul, and so now I can put all this stuff up now that I see what's in the bag, as I had forgotten what I had gotten from Dollar Tree and Dollar General. So I'm going to put all this stuff up, get it put away. So that is it. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are staying safe. I hope you all are not rushing back out because, you know, there's different stories about states opening up. Some states are staying closed. They're talking about, you know, it could come back and even stronger and all that. So whatever, y'all stay safe. Just stay safe. Pray, because God is our source, ultimately. God is our source for safety. So, you know, have faith in him, of course, but do what you know to do. Do what you know to do. Don't go out willy-nilly, just, you know, no mask, no, you know, all that stuff, thinking, you know, you ain't gonna get it. Prayerfully not, but you all know a lot of people have, and none of us are indestructible, so stay safe. All right, so be blessed. I love you all. Share this with someone. Share this video, brighten up their day. I hope you all enjoyed it. So like, comment down. What do y'all get from Dollar Tree? What is your favorite thing to get from Dollar Tree and Dollar General? So put that below for me. Put that below. All right, love you all. See you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.